Welcome back to Discover Agriculture. In today's video, we are going to explore a unique and profitable venture in poultry farming, Guinea bird farming. Guinea fowl are gaining popularity for their hardiness, excellent meat, and pest control capabilities. Whether you're looking to diversify your farm or start a small-scale business, Guinea bird farming could be a fantastic option. Let's dive into everything you need to know. Guinea fowl are native to Africa but have been farmed globally due to their numerous benefits. They require less care compared to chickens and thrive in various climates. They are natural hunters of ticks, insects, and even small snakes. Guinea fowl meat is lean, high in protein, and considered a delicacy in many countries. Though not as prolific as chickens, guinea hens can lay up to 100 eggs a year. Here's how you can get started with your guinea bird farm. Guinea fowl are excellent foragers and do best in free-range systems. However, they need shelter to protect them from predators at night. Provide them with spacious coops and perches. While guinea fowl forage for a lot of their food, especially insects, it's important to supplement their diet with grains and commercial poultry feed, particularly in the early stages of their life. Clean, fresh water should always be available, just like with any poultry species. Guinea birds are seasonal layers, typically laying eggs in the warmer months. Here's what you need to know about their breeding cycle. Guinea hens prefer to lay their eggs in hidden nests on the ground. It's best to keep an eye on them during the laying season, as they can be secretive. Guinea fowl eggs take about 26 to 28 days to hatch. You can either let the hens sit on them naturally or incubate them artificially for better control. Once the eggs hatch, the chicks, known as Keets, need special care. Here's how to raise them. Keep Keets warm under a brooder for the first few weeks, similar to raising chicken chicks. They are sensitive to cold and require temperatures around 35 degrees Celsius. Offer high-protein starter feed for the first few weeks to support their growth. After a few months, they can be introduced to foraging. Like any farming venture, guinea bird farming comes with a few challenges. Guinea fowl are more independent and can fly long distances, which makes it harder to control them. Clipping their wings can prevent them from flying off. Since guinea fowl tend to roam freely, they are at risk from predators. Ensure their housing is secure at night and consider guard animals like dogs or fencing to keep them safe. Guinea bird farming has great market potential due to its growing demand for organic meat and pest control services. Guinea fowl meat is prized for its lean, gamey taste. Many restaurants and specialty meat markets are willing to pay a premium for it. Guinea fowl eggs are valued for their rich flavor and nutrition. Many farms and gardens use guinea fowl as natural pest controllers. Guinea bird farming is a fantastic way to diversify your poultry business. With their low-maintenance care, excellent pest control abilities, and market potential, guinea fowl offer unique benefits to both small and large-scale farmers. If you're thinking about starting your own guinea bird farm, we hope this guide gave you the steps to get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.